Well, here we are at Spencer Mountain River access on the South Fork of the Catawba. And it's closed to the general public. You have to go through the Catawba Land Conservancy to get access to that gate to get in here. And there's a canal right there. And there's a big dam up that way. And there's another little dam down that way. And me and Mike has come down here to see about kayaking. It's my first time. Old John couldn't make it. South Fork, Blue Way. Stone Butchers is from an 1800 bridge right up out of the river, about 4 miles dam, and there's a picture of it. A company of Union soldiers under the regiment of Colonel Wheeler burned this bridge just after the Civil War ended. Now why did they wait till after the war to burn it? Some history in here. And here, I don't know if you can see for the reflection on the glass. And they got all these portages around this river. And you can go and go and go and go and go and go. We're going to walk down there, take a look at it. You have to have a pass and all this stuff to be able to get in here. There's Spencer Mountain right there. Tower on top. There's an old dam up there. I've been up there a couple times. Got some water in it today. Since it's there, don't damage its mate. They got walking trails. They take care of the land. They got it in trust and such. That's for sure. A little bit of rapids, a little shallow. Campfire. And there's a chute. And Mike and I are trying to determine how hard it would be to go downriver and then come back up. A little bit shallow. You know, we could put in and go to that first set right there and turn around and come back up, but the water's higher than normal, but it's always through here kind of shallow. If you hit stuff like that, you're most likely going to have to step out unless you find a hole to go through. I'll hug that right-hand side or something. The only trouble coming back up was when we hit these shoals. What you think?
Well, we came all this way. We might as well give it a try. Determine whether or not we want to keep going down a little bit. I mean, if you got a portage around, something like that, you know, get out and pull your canoe over some rocks. That ain't so bad as long as you ain't slipping and falling. But
yeah,
that's not bad. Now, if there was 100 yards of that, that'd be a different story.
And that don't look like sand. That looks like mud. This is pretty fun. No, it's firm. If push comes to shove, see, I thought this other road was open. I'd had no idea you couldn't get down that way. And I was...
You need to check things out better.
Well, at least I got us passes, but if push comes to shove, we can get out down there where that other dam is, and it's only about a mile down there on the left. We'll walk back up that road. They're gonna lock us up, they'll lock us up. But right in there, I mean, you know, it's not that fast. We can give it a whirl. Unless you want to go on around to the other place I found.
Yeah, we're here. Let's give this a try.
Let's give it a shot. Let's go get them.